Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off screen lock on iPhone. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Scroll down, locate and click on general. Click on software update. Now hang on for your iPhone to check for available software update and make sure your iPhone is eligible to get the iOS 26. So update your iPhone to iOS 26, just like I did. And again, go back to the main settings page. Scroll down and click on Face ID and passcode. Type in your iPhone passcode. And then, hang on. Scroll down the page until you get to Require passcode. Click on it. Now, you can set your passcode to up to 4 hours. This means your iPhone screen will only lock after 4 hours. Otherwise, set it to immediately, after 1 minute, after 5, after 15, after 1 hour. So I recommend after 1 minute. And after that, hit the back button. And this is not just going to turn off screen lock on your iPhone. It's going to help you to extend your iPhone screen lock active time. And that is it. So that is exactly how you can basically turn off screen lock on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.